All right, so for this one, we're just going to start putting some pieces together. So this is a two-step problem. The first step is actually, well, let's just take a look at it first. So they want you to find the coordinates of the vertex, and then you're going to plot the vertex on the graph. They've given you the equation for this quadratic. In this one, it's y equals x squared minus 6x. And then I kind of prompted you, find the x coordinate of the vertex. So that's the first thing. That's really just your first step. That's what you need to do. Well, if we're looking at this one, this is one of those easy ones. So between 0 and 6, you could take 0 plus 6 divided by 2. That's 3. But when it's on 0, it's a little bit easier. We can see that somewhere along this line here, this is going to be our line of symmetry. And I'm just drawing this just to show us. You don't need to draw these, but I'm just showing you. So we know that the x-coordinate of the vertex is going to be 3. But we still need to find where along this is it going to be, because any point along this imaginary line could be it. It could be up here, it could be down here, who knows. So how do you find that? Well, here's the second step. So our first step was to just find this. The second step is to plug it in. You're going to plug it in to your equation. That's why you have an equation. So what I mean is you're going to literally take this 3. This is the x-coordinate of the vertex. Well, we want to find the y-coordinate now, so we know which y to go to. You're going to plug this in for those x's. So what's that going to look like? Y equals, what do you always need to use? Great, parentheses. Make sure you're always using your parentheses. So parentheses, squared should be on the outside of the parentheses, minus 6. Then another set of parentheses, and then 3. So we're bringing back one of those skills that we saw a while ago, where we just plugging values into quadratics. Make sure you use your parentheses. Here, all I did is I replaced the x with a set of parentheses and then the number that I want to plug in. So you can use your calculator for this, so don't overthink it. Where's my calculator? Here we go. So don't overthink it. You just got to look exactly like this. Parentheses 3, parentheses squared, minus 6, parentheses 3, parentheses. So parentheses 3, parentheses, the square button's right there. Then minus 6. Then parentheses 3. Close my parentheses. Whoops. And see, if it starts looking weird, that's okay. Just back up and make sure you get it right. Minus 6, parentheses 3, then close your parentheses. And we get negative 9. So y equals negative 9. So we know that the x is 3, the y is negative 9. So the vertex is going to be the point 3, comma, negative 9. So we're going to find 3, then we're going to go down to negative 9. That's where that point is. And I do, with these, want you to sketch it at this point. So now we have 3 points. We can sketch what this quadratic looks like. Should go through the 0 up to the vertex. It's okay if it's not perfect. This is actually terrible, but you get the idea. It should look something like that.